This is the Iron Trader. It is Tuesday morning. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now remember, the API report on crude oil will be out today at 4:30. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock about ETF. Please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have crude oil daily chart, natural gas daily chart. Now you can see here on Crude, we had a really nice run off this double bottom situation there. See this? Okay, so we had that low of 71.67, and then we put in a low here of 71.46. But you notice that it closed above that key level there, and it closed right there at that 71.94. Okay, so that's a nice double bottom. And then the next day, what we had is an inside day, which means your high and your low is the inside of the high and low of the previous day. And we had a nice green candle. Now, yesterday, it took right off here nicely here, okay, last week. This was Friday, I should say. And it went right up here into that 8-day situation. Very, very nice. And then yesterday, wow, it didn't even, this here held the top portion of the candle, but this just zoomed right on up. But you notice where it went right into that 200-day simple moving average, okay? So today we have, we just have this red candle. We got to see what's going to be, how it's going to shake out here. Now, what we're looking at here, obviously, we're looking at yesterday's high. That is 77.60, okay? But realistically, what you're looking at here is this 77.82. That's that 200 SMA here, okay? And then we have your green, which is your 78.68. That's your 50-day. And then we have your 100-day right above that at 79.41. And then your retest there at 80.16. It just can't get much simpler than this, okay? Simple, 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 okay? We go to the 200-day. You can't, if you can get through it, you go to the 50-day. You get through it, you go to the 100-day. You get through it, you go to that price channel, 80.16, which is basically just the top of that candle. Now, price channels are very, very useful because all they are just tops and bottoms of candles here. So you have that trading range, okay? So now your trading range is 80.16 on the top and 71.45 here on the bottom. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. Now, if you notice this 8-day, it was coming across nicely. Now she kind of curled off here. So we got to see how this is all going to shake out. So what we really want to do today is trade the 21-day to that 200-day. That's the range that we're trading, okay? So now, if this sells off here, what you want to do is obviously is watch today's low. You're sitting at 76.50 level here, which is sitting right there. See that 76.52? Okay, see how nice that is? See, so always look to the left of the chart. That's your support levels. That's what we're looking at. Now, the next level here we're going to be looking at, it would be the top of this candle. You're looking at a 75.84, but realistically, the 75.73, that is going to be your target, that 21-day. Now, again, if that's lost, then what we're going to do is we're going to look to yesterday's low, okay, 75.04, and then we're going to look right here to that 74.55. That is your 8 simple day moving average. Now, again, if that's lost, we just follow candles down, okay? 74.38, you have 74.16. You got 73.52, and then we look to the bottom of that candle. You're looking at 72.83 level. Then we just work yourself all the way down. You got 72.20. This is here is at 71.67, and then your big retest at 71.46. I always like to tell you what could possibly go. However, for this scenario to happen, you have to lose that support at the 21-day and that support at that 8 SMA here. And then these would be the targets here, that double bottom situation. But right now, she's looking pretty good here. So we got to see how this is going to shake out. Now, remember, you have a pretty good sized war premium going on, okay? So as far as that Middle East going, okay, they started back up again here, and this is the reason why we rallied right on up here. So always trade the charts here. So anybody tells you that, oh, charts are after looking, no, they're not. You have that double bottom, okay? I can tell you right away, as soon as it gets, you had double bottom hold, the first target is going to be the 8. Next target is going to be the 21. Next target is going to be the 200. Where should you go? Right there to the 200, okay? So don't let anybody say, they just don't know how to trade the charts. That's all it is, okay? So let's just see how today shakes out. So what you want to do today is watch that 200-day at that 77.82. That's going to be very, very key. And watch that 75.73 level. That is your support level here. So we're going to trade this range until she breaks out. You break above the 200-day, well, we know where we're going to go, 50, 100, retest. Okay, we lose that 200-day or that 21-day. Well, we know you're going to go right to that 8-day, and then we follow the candles down to come all the way on down to the retest down here. All right, RSI here. You're right in the middle. candle here, 51. This could go either way. We have a nice cross here on the MACD, though. See how that green crossed over that red? That's very, very nice. It came down, sloped down, and right back up again very, very nicely here. So let's just trade this range, both directions, and we will make money today on the old crude ski. Okay, natural gas. Here we go. Okay, now you can see natural gas just selling right off here. The whole key was this 100-day. Okay, see where that 100-day, look how very, very strong. You can see it all the way even back into this situation. But see where we popped up here, look how many days here, and it just could not close above. Yeah, you can pop up, but that doesn't mean anything. It's the closing at the end of the day is the key. And then we have that series of lower lows and lower highs. That's never good. So what we're watching here is going to be right here. So watch that price channel. This is your support level. That's at 1.88. Now, what do we get down here so far today? We got down to, let's see, 1.91. So if basically all you have to do is look at this bottom of the chart here. You have 1.92. And then you have 1.90s left, and then we have 1.88. That's going to be your retest. Now, again, if this holds, this could be a nice double bottom situation, just like we have here, okay? So even if it pops down, but you close back above, then we could have that double bottom situation. But we got to see how this is going to shake out. Because right now, if you look at these price channels, okay, you got 2.30 on the top, and you got 1.88 on the bottom. Let's see if it keeps holding those price channels. Now, again, if that is lost, what we do is we just come right to the left of this chart here, okay? Just like we were holding here. See that? It goes right across, okay? Very, very nicely. Then we go to the next level, okay? So basically, you're looking at 1.85, and then we'll come over here. You have 1.80, and then we have, you got 1.78 going on there. We come here, you got 1.72, and then here's your gap fill. Okay, 1.67. So this was that contract roll that we had months ago. It gapped up, and then it just kept right on going, but never filled this gap. So the top of that gap is 1.67. That would be your target, your big target, if this key 1.88 here on the price channel there is lost. But we're going to see how this all shakes out here. So don't have no opinion. If it holds, then we can just, have a nice double bottom situation and take it right back up. So let's just look at the upside. Say this reverses, goes back up here. So then what we do is we just follow the candles back up. Okay, look at the bottom of that. What do we have there? Okay, you got 1.94. And then we'll look at today's high, 1.97. And then we'll come to the bottom there. Okay, you got 2 flat. And then we'll come to the top. Okay, 2.02. And then we're going to look up here. You have 2.07, and then your key level here is going to be right there at 2.097, and your 8-day right there at 2.093. So this is going to be your big target here if this reverses and goes back up here, just like what we had here. Okay, so we had that nice double bottom, went right up, and your first target was the 8-day. Okay, second was the 21-day, and then the third one here is going to be that 200-day. That's the same thing we have here. So let's just be very, very patient. Now, yesterday at the midday trading, I posted a couple of seasonality charts on crude and natural gas. So if you want to go there, take a look, or you can go on my playlist, or you can go to equityclock.com. You can look up any kind of a seasonality chart here, but it's going to be a matter of time here before natural gas. Now, natural gas usually sinks off here at the end of August, 1st of September. You get them lows, and then it's a buying opportunity here to take this long. So far, this is playing out very, very nicely here, just like when we have on the seasonality that this played out very, very nicely, and also this played out very, very nicely. So those seasonality charts are over a 20-year period, and they give you a pretty good gist of what actually is going to go on, because now you can go into the winter season. And you know what I'm saying, I highly doubt if natural gas is going to stay below $2. Okay, I just see where that's going to be possible. So for today, here's what you want to watch. Watch that 1.88. That is going to be very, very key on a closing basis. If we can close above it, we could possibly get a nice double bottom situation and run right on up. Okay, on the upside here, what we do is we watch all these candles, but realistically, we're going to be watching that 2.09. Okay, so this is the range you're trading, that 21-day to 8-day, roughly at 2.09, and your bottom is 1.88. So we're trading this range here. You break above that, then we can go right on here. Okay, you get 2.2, okay, 2.3, 2.223, that 100-day sitting at 2.27, and then we have your price channel above that at 2.3. But right now, we don't worry about that. We worry about the 21-day on the top and that 1.88 there on the bottom. Now, here we have this sell signal, obviously, all the way down. See the green crossed over the red. That's not good, but that doesn't mean it can't go there and hook right back up again. Got to be real patient. Now, 35, we're getting here right to the bottom situation. So let's just see how this is all going to shake out here. So don't have no opinion, okay? We want to trade this range. Like for me, I go with the UNG for the long, and then we go KOLD there for the old short ski, which has worked out very, very nice all the way on down. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here midday trading. We'll take a look at crude and natural gas, and then we throw something else in the old mix. Remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.